Discover how WooCommerce Trade Credit can simplify B2B purchasing whilst keeping your cash flow under control. We've got a trade customer here, and we can see they've applied for a trade credit of $10,000, and they're currently on a net 30 payment terms. We can see that there's an invoice due for them to pay now. If we click this link, it will take us to a secure page where they can go ahead and settle that invoice. As an admin, we can go ahead and customize the term as well. I'll also show you what it's like for a customer to be onboarded. So I'm going to quickly switch over to our backend so you can have a quick view of what that looks like. We can see that we've got a trade credit application here. When we click on it, we can expand it to see the information in which they're provided. We can approve or reject this application. Let's go trade credit settings. And we'll go grant trade credit. This is where we can go ahead and bulk grant some of our B2B customers additional trade credit. Quickly show you what it's like when a customer doesn't have a trade credit with us. We'll switch to a different user account. We can go trade credit. So they'll see this option. However, flow is a little bit different here. They've got an overview they can apply for trade credit. And here we've got an explanation of how it works. Here we can request the limit, we can specify our preferred payment terms, and then we can go ahead and fill in some additional information regarding our business. We can submit the application, and then the admin can review it and choose to accept or reject this particular application. Once they submit it as well, to save them submitting it twice, we'll move them to the status here where it says under review. Right, so they can see that the application has been successfully received and someone just reviewing it. Once it's approved and active, then it'll be just like what we saw in the intro. And to create all this, we'll be using the Wholesale WP plugin. So just head over to wholesalewp.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. I'm assuming you've already installed and activated the Wholesale WP plugin. The first thing you want to actually do is, in your case, you'll navigate over to add-ons here. We just want to make sure we've got this trade credit module here activated. And the options you see here will be based on the plans that you choose when you come to sign up for Wholesale WP. With that activated, let's head over to our trade credit settings. Here we've got a default payment term, and then here we get to specify how soon we want to remind customers that a payment's due. And we can even limit this trade credit to specific user group, trade credit options to our wholesalers, right? And we get to also block customers who has an overdue invoice. We get to choose our invoice prefix and a few useful options in which you can go ahead and configure. So let's go customers. So we can filter by customers that's got trade credit with us. So from here, we can see anyone that has an outstanding payment. We can see if their account's healthy. We can see customers without a trade account. And if we click on a particular customer, for example, this one, we know they've got a trade account with us. We can refresh a snapshot of this particular customer using AI, right? And this will flag anything suspicious on this account, again, using the AI as well. This plugin allows you to allow your customers or specific customers to apply for trade credit. It gives you the option to manage customers with a trade account, and it gives those customers as well a simple way to settle their invoice. So this is just a quick overview of what you can do with the Wholesale WP plugin. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.